Want to change your country on Instagram? Here's how to do it step by step. There are actually a few different ways, depending on what you want to change. Let's start with the easiest method. Method 1. Change your phone region. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Go to General, then tap Language and Region. Now, tap on Region. Select the country you want to switch to. After that, close Instagram completely and open it again. Your content and feed may now update based on the new region. Method 2. Use a VPN. If the region doesn't change, you can use a VPN app. Download any VPN from the App Store or Play Store. Open it and connect to the country you want. Once connected, open Instagram again. Now your location will appear as that country, and your content may change as well. Method 3. Change country on your profile. If you want your profile to show a different location, go to your Instagram profile. Tap Edit Profile. Now, you may need to switch to Professional Account. To do that, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Account Type and Tools, then switch to Professional Account. Follow the steps and choose a category. Once done, go back to Edit Profile. Add your business address, including country, city, and zip code. Save your changes. Now your country will be visible on your profile. Changing your region doesn't always instantly update your feed, so give it some time or restart the app again. And that's it. Now you know all the ways to change your country on Instagram.